Imagine this, you spent 3 months getting rid of your dark spots. Winter was perfect for your skin, right? Your skin was nice and clear, then summer comes around. 1 week in the sun and boom, those dark spots are back. It's like all your hard work from winter and spring just disappeared. So here's what's happening. Your dark spots aren't just coming back. They're being recreated again by the sun. And that sunscreen that you're applying daily, a lot of times is just not enough. But there's a way to protect your skin from the inside during summer. And I'm going to show you how. Alright, so most people think that sunscreen is the only thing protecting your skin from the sun. And that's actually true. Sunscreen is like a bodyguard in front of a door. It stops some of the bad guys from coming in. But many a times, the sun is actually sneakier than you think. And here's what actually happens when the sun hits your skin. You know that feeling when you're in the sun and your skin gets hot? That heat that you're feeling? That is known as infrared radiation. So it's not just UV light. It's actually a different kind of sun damage. The sun also has something known as visible light, and that's the light that your eyes could actually see. And visible light could also damage your skin. Now, most sunscreens only block UV rays. They don't block the infrared, which is the heat, and they don't block visible light. So even if you wear sunscreen perfectly and you're reapplying your sunscreen, your skin is still getting hit by the sun damage from 3 different angles. The first, UV rays, whereby your sunscreen blocks some of them. Secondly, visible light, and most of the sunscreen don't actually block this. And number 3 is infrared, or otherwise known as heat, and definitely your sunscreen will never protect your skin against this. And here's the kicker. All 3 of these can actually trigger your melanocytes, and these are the skin cells that make your dark pigmentation. So what happens is now your melanocytes go into overdrive. So remember my last video when we were talking about troublemakers, otherwise known as free radicals, whereby they get into your skin and then they send a message to your skin pigments and say, hey, you need to make more pigmentation? Well, sun exposure actually sends that particular same message. And worse, it's even more loud. So this is why your dark spots come back in the summer. The sun is sending a make pigment signals directly to you from multiple angles, and sunscreen only blocks just one of them. Now, here's where it gets cool. Scientists actually discovered a fern, a plant that actually grows in Central America that has something special in it. This fern is known as Polypodium Leucotomos. Now, say it again one more time with me. Polypodium Leucotomos, but I'm going to call it PLE. Now, this fern grows in rainforests where sun is the most intense, way more intense than most places that you stay. And the fern has developed a defense system to survive against the intense sun. Now, the fern doesn't put on sunscreen. It had to protect itself from the inside. And that defense system, scientists has isolated it, and now you can actually take it. So here's what PLE does. When you drink PLE, it's usually in a supplement or a powder that you add to your drink, and it travels through your body and reaches your skin cells. And when it's there, it does something amazing. It goes to the powerhouses of your skin cells. And these powerhouses are known as mitochondria. They are like little teeny tiny batteries inside every single cell. So the sun's ray, all 3 types of them, try to damage these batteries. And when the batteries get damaged, they send out a distress signal. And that distress signal actually tells the melanocytes, emergency, make more dark pigmentation now. But with PLE, it protects these batteries before they even get damaged. So the distress signal never gets sent. No distress signal equals no make new pigmentation orders equals no dark spots. PLE is basically putting a protective shield around your skin's power plants. And unlike topical sunscreen, this shield is inside your skin. It doesn't rub off when you swim or when you sweat. Plus, it protects against all 3 types of sun damage: UV, visible light, and infrared. So that's the thing that topical sunscreen can't do. Okay, here's the secret to keeping your dark spots from coming back in the summer. You can't just use PLE, and you can't just use topical sunscreen. You actually need them both. But you also need to use them in a strategic way, not just randomly. So here's your summer protocol. So before summer hits, let's say towards late spring, you need to start taking your PLE daily. Don't wait until summer arrives. Your body needs time to build up these particular internal defenses. Think of it like training for a sports event. You don't train on the day of the event, you start weeks or months before that. Now, during summer, which is like June, July, August in most countries, what you do is every single day and every morning, you take your PLE, and typically it's about 240 milligrams per pill. And you also need to apply your SPF 50 sunscreen. I mean, you need to apply enough. Most people use too little. And in the afternoon, if you're still in the sun, reapply your sunscreen. Now, your skin is still vulnerable in the evening, so you need to keep taking your other antioxidants like your NAC, your vitamin C, your selenium, and they work together with PLE. So this is the synergy. This is the word when two things come together and become stronger. So PLE protects your skin from the inside, sunscreen protects it from the outside. So they're like two bodyguards, one inside the house and one outside the house. Meaning just one bodyguard isn't enough, but together, they are unstoppable. So scientists actually has tested this. They had women with melasma do 3 different things. So the group A is they have women applying only topical sunscreen. Group B is only taking the PLE supplement. And group C is PLE with topical sunscreen and a little bit of glutathione builders. And the results after summer, which is 8 weeks of exposure, group A with only sunscreen, 40% of the dark spots came back. Group B with only PLE, 15% of the dark spots came back. But group C, whereby when they combine both the PLE and the sunscreen, only 5% of the dark spots came back. So PLE alone worked better than sunscreen alone, but the combination, barely any spots came back. So this is why summer melasma rebound is real if you're not strategic. But if you use the entire system, your skin actually stays protected. So here's something that actually scares people when I tell them. If you get dark spots again, even if you only get them in summer, it takes roughly about 3 to 6 months for your dark spots to fade. Not 3 to 6 weeks, but 3 to 6 months. So if you get dark spots in July, you might not actually see them fully fade until November or December. So this is crucial to understand because it changes how you think about prevention. You can't just protect yourself in the summer and hope for the best. You have to stay protected throughout the entire year. Summer is the danger zone for your melasma and dark spots because this is the period whereby your dark spots form. But fall and winter, that's when you're fading the dark spots that you got. So here's what happens. In the summer, due to the high UV rays and the high heat, new spots get triggered. In the fall, which is September to November, dark spots are still visible, but they're starting to slowly lighten up over time. And in winter, which is the December and February period, the dark spots continue fading because there's not much sun exposure. And by spring, if you have been consistent, the old summer spots are actually gone. But what if you stop your protocol right after summer? Those dark spots actually stick around and they don't fade as fast. That's why once you start to protect your skin, you have to continuously do it over time. It's not a matter whereby you take it and then you stop it when things get better. It's like brushing your teeth. You need to brush it every day because you want to prevent cavities. And this is actually same with dark spot prevention. You protect every day because you want to prevent them from forming and then taking months for them to fade. So the rule, 1 month of summer carelessness equals 3 months of fading it. Totally not worth it. And very importantly, you need to stay consistent all year round, even if it's cloudy, even when you're on the inside, because visible light actually goes through the windows. End of the day, your future skin will thank you. So let me show you how everything actually connects together. So if you have time, watch my 2 previous videos, right? Whereby the first video is your dark spots come from the inside, so topical creams alone don't work. And the other video is glutathione builders, which are NAC, vitamin C, and selenium to rebuild your internal defense. And video 3 is this one. Sun exposure triggers dark spots, and PLE actually protects your skin against sun damage from the inside. So the complete system actually looks like this. All year round, you need to take this. This is Light Up. It is just a single drink in the morning. It has NAC, vitamin C, selenium, pine bark extract, and more importantly, Polypodium Leucotomos, PLE. Next up, you have to apply your topical SPF even if you're not going outside. And in the summer, use extra PLE. You can take 2 sachets of this instead of just 1 sachet. And very importantly, you need to reapply your SPF every 2 hours to 4 hours when you're outside. End of the day, consistency is key. You can't skip it. You can't even skip it for a week. And in the fall and winter, keep your light up. Your skin is still trying to fade those summer spots, so don't stop it. You can actually start toning down your sunscreen. You can use an SPF 30 instead because lesser sun during the winter, you don't really need that high of an SPF. So the whole system works together because light up ingredients are designed to work together. You have other antioxidants, which are NAC, vitamin C, and selenium, which helps build internal glutathione. You have additional pine bark extract, which is an extra antioxidant boost. And more importantly, there is the fern extract, Polypodium Leucotomos, which protects your mitochondria specifically from sun damage. And with your topical sunscreen, these are the defense that your skin actually needs. So 1 drink, 1 sunscreen, all year round. That's the protocol that stops summer rebound. So end of the day, the secret isn't just one thing, it's the entire system. You have glutathione builders, you have Polypodium Leucotomos, and topical sunscreen, so your dark spots don't come back. So here's your challenge. Get your first box of Light Up, and then pair it with a good SPF 50 sunscreen during summer. Use it both every day from now until winter, and next winter, watch what happens. Your dark spots won't come back like they used to. And ladies and gentlemen, that is science.